Botany, the study of plants, encompasses a wide spectrum of plant from higher to lower plants. Their life cycles, their intricacies and mysteries are an enduring part of our knowledge system. And botanists are those individuals who work extensively towards the study of plants in helping us to understand their life cycles, their ecosystems, their anatomy, physiology, morphology, and how plants are integrated with our ecosystem. And one such eminent botanist, retired from the Botanical Survey of India, is Dr. Prabir Ranjan Sur, a botanist with a difference. Dr. Prabir Ranjan Sur did his MSc and PhD from the University of Calcutta and joined as a research scholar in the Botanical Survey of India in 1973. He retired as a scientist of the same institute in 2011. Thus, it is very important to understand his dedication and sincerity in working towards for a long time in the study of plants, in better understanding how plants interact with our ecosystem, their diversity, their enriched biodiversity and aspects of various areas of plant science. Born in 1951 at Khatara in the Bankura district of the eastern Indian state of West Bengal, Dr. Sur did his secondary schooling in 1967 from the Kirtibas Mukherjee High School located at Bishnupur in the Bankura district, and he completed his botany honors BSc in 1970 from the Ramananda College of Bankura. Dr. Sur's areas of interest include taxonomy, ethnobotany, biodiversity, medicinal plants, and environmental sciences. He has published more than 200 research papers in national and international journals of repute and published 15 books on taxonomy, ethnobotany, medicinal plants, environment and biodiversity, and also textbook for the prestigious Netaji Subhash Open University located in West Bengal. He has been accredited with numerous awards, including Dr. G. Panigrahi Memorial Award in 2019 from the Botanical Society of Bengal, Baliganj Science College, University of Calcutta, for his monumental contribution towards plant science. He has also been awarded the Arogya Mitra Award from the Arogya Bharati, an All India organization, for his indispensable research work on medicinal plants and ethnobotany. Dr. Prabir Ranjan Sur is an honorable member of the Internal Quality Assurance Cells IQAC Committee of the University of Calcutta. He is a life member of a number of prestigious institutes across the country, including the Botanical Society of Bengal, Baliganj Science College Campus, Kolkata, Ethnobotanical Society of India, and life member of the Youth Hostel Associations of India. Throughout his career, he has attended more than 120 state, national, and international level seminars, symposium, conference, and colloquium to his credit. He is currently attached with a number of undergraduate and postgraduate institutes and universities as guest faculty, particularly in the postgraduate botany department, and he is associated with the Netaji Open University, Kolkata, and the Agro-Horticultural Society of India too. Adding to the diversity of institute he caters to till date post-retirement. He works with a number of nature and adventure organizations as an expert and a camp commandant, and attended an expert in the adventure and nature study camp courses over 100 in number. During his PhD work, Dr. Sur was allotted the grass family or the poaceae. The title of his thesis has been Studies on Taxonomy and Photogeography of some genera of tribe Andropogony poaceae in India. He is credited for the discovery of 4 new species of grass from India. During his service period, he was engaged extensively in the Flora of India project and the taxonomical study of grasses in West Bengal, which has been continuously published in various parts. Ethnobotanical studies conducted by Dr. Sur encompasses various districts of Orissa, Bihar, Meghalaya, and West Bengal. One book particularly highlighted as the ethnobotanical study of West Bengal is very important because of its intricate relationship with the plants and the tribal communities and how they use the medicinal plants as a source of their traditional medicine. He has published over 200 papers in various corners of research work, highlighting various aspects of taxonomy, systematics, morphology, evolution, systematics, and plant ecology. He has collected over 4,000 herbarium specimens during his entire career. All are identified and are kept as herbarium ships in the ethnobotanical herbarium for further research. Dr. Sur is an outstanding individual in the sense that he never gives up, even post retirement. He has been continuing to work not only as a guest faculty as the teacher but also in training young minds, taking them to various natural sites to bring about in them an interest about plant life and ecology and ecosystem in general. Professor Sur believes that our environment is a dynamic system that needs support from we as humans to help it sustain, and it is important, therefore, to bring students at primary, secondary, and tertiary institutes while they are completing their degrees, diplomas, certificates, and courses in order for them to appreciate the value of nature, the value of plants, and its significance to our life. The anthropogenic impact, he said, around the world has initiated various negative effects such as the global warming, climate change, ozone hole depletion, and various other factors, particularly overexploitation of our plant resources for survival. He suggests that it is important for us first to appreciate the gifts of nature and then integrate others to better understand how this nature is so closely related, and by destroying it, we are only destroying our future. Dr. Shu suggests that the best time for people to understand it is when in their schools and colleges. And he takes painstaking effort in participating in various forums, whether in the terms of dissemination through seminars, symposium, workshops, colloquium, or through nature camps or ecological camps, catering to various students groups representing various age and maturity in understanding and appreciating nature. His painstaking effort takes him till date across various remote areas in eastern India and northeastern India, including Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa, and other adjoining parts, in exploring nature with the young minds to inculcate in them a love for plants. Many times, Dr. Shu suggests that he comes across students saying that there is no future in studying the subject of botany. And this is where he takes extensive care in doing career counseling too for students to understand how botany, forestry, and agriculture as subjects are dynamic and helps in building the career if individuals understand how to utilize the knowledge. It is important, he says, first to love your subject before you jump into a career, because if you love your subject, your career will smoothly and automatically follow and help you in establishing in life. But it is not just career establishment, but also to understand and appreciate a subject so that it becomes a part of one's own existence. To become a good student, a good research scholar, or a good active participant in botanical research, he suggests that it is important to love the subject so that if one appreciates the depth and significance of the subject, he or she will be able to contribute more effortlessly because of the love and passion. This is very important. While teaching the teachers and other academics at various institutes, while training for better teaching strategies, Dr. Sur always highlights, saying that it is important to inspire the students towards the subject. It is through career development counseling and also to understand the basic facets of a discipline so that students are interested in working towards that. Dr. Sur has been working effortlessly towards conservation of nature and in inculcating new minds and attracting them towards botany, environment, ecology, agriculture, and forestry to help them understand the significance of plants in our life and their importance and why it is so important to preserve and protect plants. His monumental research in medicinal plants as well as on ethnobotany and various tribal groups from eastern India deeply suggests his involvement with this discipline and how it has shaped the ethnobotanical study, which still remains broadly neglected in a country that is not only rich in biodiversity of plants but also with the rich tribal heritage and culture and history. Professor Sur highlights that it is important to integrate tribal life or anthropology with botany more intricately into our curriculum so that it turns into an interesting subject and introspection into our national and cultural heritage, at the same time coming up with modern medication applications from our traditional knowledge. We wish Dr. Prabir Ranjan Sur a long, healthy life and hope he continues with his work to inspire and inculcate new minds and work towards conservation of nature. Shoikat Kumar Basu, Bureau Report, Kalinga Chronicle TV.